2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.